delicious day. It's Mino and
Amina.
we are in Karachi. Karachi is the largest city in the Muslim world, and today we are going to try amazing Pakistani food in Karachi. Are you ready? Chalo! This video was filmed before Ramadan. I found a bunch of people cutting various fruits. Oh. Oh. What is this? Melon. They are chopping melons, papayas, strawberries, and bananas. Wow. Wow. He's moving the chopped fruits to their restaurant. Wow. Custard cream. Oh, no, just cream. Oh, just cream. Mixing the fruits with fresh cream. They have 3 different kind of fruit chots. Masala chat, cream chat. One cream chat, small one. You eat there? Yes. There are a lot of people waiting for fruit chat here. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. बहुत शुक्रिया. Bismillah. Tropical fruit with fresh cream. It's so amazing. Wow. It's very tasty and very cheap. You can beat the hot weather of Karachi with this chill fruit salad. Now it's time to try Karachi's famous biryani. Assalamu alaikum. Oh. Nali biryani. Yeah.
World famous. What's your bone marrow?
Oh!
Yeah, what's your biryani?
Yeah!
Biryani. Only plain meat.
Yeah!
What's your biryani?
Very good. Oh! Wow! Ghusia! Nali biryani! Oh! 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 Bone marrow! Yeah!
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
1 minute.
Okay. Oh yeah! Look at this. Amazing. Oh yeah. Yogurt sauce raita makes biryani much tastier. Let me try the bone marrow first. Look at this. With yogurt sauce and biryani. Bismillah. Wow. The fluffy basmati rice with spicy tender beef. Wow. Yes.
This is a king Mili biryani.
All of the Pakistan. Okay.
What thing you like in it?
Bone marrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very tender.
We are calling it nali.
So this is nali.
This is nali. In
Okay.
English, it is in medical language, it is known as bone marrow.
Bone marrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Bismillah. Wow. It's very sweet and milky. Oh, I love this dried sweet milk. Sweet jardal rice makes perfect balance with spicy biryani. 아, 이거 봐, 이거 봐. 진짜 맛있는 비리아니네. 와, 설탕 시럽에 절인 거야. 굴랍자문? 됐습니다. 와. Tastes like sweet butter.
Wow.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Golgappe. Egg plate. He puts boiled chickpeas into the crispy fried bowls. Oh. Then he pours some sweet sauce and yogurt on the bowls. What is this? Oh.
This is complete plate.
Okay.
You see there.
Okay, there.
Okay.
Oh, shukriya. Look at this. Golgappe. Bismillah. Oh. 대단한데? Boiled chickpea in the crispy bowls with sweet and sour sauce with chilled spicy masala juice. What a fantastic combination! 와, 이거 정말 신기하다. It's very chilled, spicy and sour juice. Wow, this is masala water. Hummus in the crispy golgappe.
Golgappe.
Golgappe. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. Tandoori. I can feel the heat from here. Wow. They are really professional roti makers. The smells of fresh baked rotis makes me so hungry. Is this nihari? Oh. Nihari is one of the most majestic dishes that defines the Pakistani cuisine today. Wow. It's brain. Cow. What about this?
Gravy, salad,
Gravy. And this one?
rogan.
Rogan. And this place is especially famous for their cow brain nihari. Wow. बहुत शुक्रिया. very hot. Whew. Wow, look at this. Oh, look at. Wow. Let me try this brain, cow brain. Nihari. 우와. 와, 진짜 부드럽다. 버터를 먹는 거 같아, 버터. It's brain. 우와. 말도 안 돼. 진짜 맛있어. Look at this. It's very tender. Oh, it's melting in my mouth. Wow. And some sauce gathering. Look at this. Amazing. The fresh baked roti with nihari is really awesome. It's time for dessert. Oh, it's like rice pudding. Let me try. Bismillah. 정말 맛있다 이거. Milky rice pudding makes me so refreshing.